Aristotle classified the organisms based on their morphological characteristics, cell wall, evolutionary relationship, method of reproduction, and the answer is morphological characteristics. Aristotle's classification of plants is based on the size, flowering or non-flowering, number of cotyledons present, type of roots they have, and the answer is size. Aristotle's classification contained 5 kingdoms, 3 kingdoms, 2 kingdoms, or 4 kingdoms, and the answer is 2 kingdoms. Which of the following statements are correct? Aristotle classified the organism into 5 kingdoms. Aristotle's classification helped in classifying every organism. It did not consider the cell structure of organisms, it considered the method of reproduction of an organism. And the answer is option C. Linnaeus classified organisms into prokaryotes and eukaryotes, monera and protista, bacteria and non-bacteria, plantae and animalia. And the answer is plantae and animalia. Which among the following is a major disadvantage of Linnaeus and Aristotle's classification? It is based on the morphological characteristics. This classification resulted into organisms that are of completely different in the same group. It considered the evolutionary relationship of the organism. They managed to include almost every organism in their classification, and the answer is this classification has resulted into organisms that are completely different in the same group. Linnaeus classified organisms based on their cell structure. A true, B false, and the answer is false. Linnaeus classified amoeba under Protista, Animalia, Monera, or Plantae, and the answer is Animalia. Classification of organisms by Linnaeus and Aristotle did not include any organism. A true, B false, and the answer is true. According to Aristotle, Chlorella comes under A. Plantae, B. Animalia, C. Protista, and D. Plants, and the answer is plants. Like and subscribe for daily important biology question practice.